today we're going to make a gift box. Here you can see that I have already colored my image in. So now I'm going to cut the outline first. Here I am cutting around the angular shapes first, and I'll come back to them later so that it isn't as tricky. Now what I'm going to do is take my scissors, rest the edge of my scissors into the middle of the slot. Make sure my finger's behind it, you can see there. And I'm going to just press gently until I feel it go through. And now I can wedge my scissors in and snip into the groove. This is the trickiest part, so take your time. Because if you tear it here, it's never going to be as strong even if we tape it. Now what we're going to do is we are going to bend the 2 points in first and pinch them. We're not going to fold anything because we want it to puff out. Then we're going to take the edge and carefully slide it till it's over the top of one, and carefully slide it until it's over the top of the other. There you have it. There is your star box.